Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is your man, Z Moose, coming at you live from the Bentley Moose Den. What does going live mean for you guys? For the most part, I just want to review the strategies that I'll be using and what I'll be trading over the next, lifetime, I guess you could say. I had an awful day today, and I guess it was better to have an awful day than to have beginner's luck. Beginner's luck gets you extremely confident, and having a day like mine today will not get you confident one bit. So let's review. The strategies that I'm going to be using are the stochastic momentum indicator for both the NASDAQ 100 E-minis, the S&P 500 E-minis, and the light sweet crude oil futures. Each one will be used with a 5-minute chart, 5-minute, 5-day, or 5-day, 5-minute, however you prefer chart. And the stochastic momentum indicator for both the NQ and the ES are the same. If we take a look here, you can see that the overbought and oversold is recommended here at 80 and neg 80. Percent D length is going to be 5, and the percent K length is going to be 7. That is going to be both for the ES and the NQ. For the CL, it's going to be just a little bit more tight. We have a 3.8 instead of a 5.7. So, we're also going to be using the 34 EMA as a support and resistance measure, as well as VWAP with the +2, -2 standard deviation. It's going to be a very simple setup. What we're looking for is crosses to the upside, and we're going to ride moves. Today, I didn't ride moves well. I tried to scalp a little bit too much, and you have to remember that you can't really scalp on 5-minute charts. My main screw-up of the day was coming into the day overconfident, and I got my ass kicked. That's really the only way to put it. I got my ass kicked. But that's good. To take a day like I had today, as you'll see on Monday, hopefully we can make up this monetary damage. The emotional damage will be made up later this evening as I write up a post and kind of describe to you guys, each feeling, breaking down the day, and just taking a look at where I went wrong. We're going to be concentrating on these longer swings. And with longer swings comes a better risk management strategy. And that was my main problem today, risk management. You'll see it in the trade log over the weekend when I post it on Scribd. When the week is over, you'll see it when you see the errors that I made. And that's the most important thing that you've got to notice for the most part. Other than that, the platform for the charts that I'm using is very, very simple. Again, we're looking for crosses of overbought and oversold. We're looking for support blowouts of the 34 EMA and the VWAP, as well as resistance blowouts. There are a couple different instances where you could have used this to your advantage today for both the NQ, the ES, and the CL futures. Ladies and gentlemen, look forward to the post.